Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Carbon compounds did not conduct electricity, and also they have low melting and boiling points. Hence, thus carbon compounds are not ionic compounds. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Outermost shell electrons are 4. Hence, carbon is tetravalent. Every atom tries to attain noble gas configuration by trying completely filled outermost shell. Carbon can't accept electrons to gain noble gas configuration because if it gains 4 electrons, then the force of attraction on outermost shell electrons become weak and carbon cannot hold these electrons. Carbon can't donate 4 electrons to gain noble gas configuration. If it tries to donate 4 electrons, then the energy required to remove these many electrons is very large. Carbon overcomes this problem by sharing its valence shell electrons with other atoms of carbon or atoms of other element forming covalent bond. Covalent bond.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Single covalent bond. A bond formed by sharing of 2 electrons between the atoms is called single covalent bond. Bond formed in methane molecule is single covalent bond. Double covalent bond. The bond formed by sharing of 4 electrons between the atoms is called double covalent bond. Bond formed in ethene molecule is example of double covalent bond. Triple covalent bond. The covalent bond formed by sharing of 6 electrons between the atoms is called triple covalent bond. Bond formed in ethyne molecule is triple covalent bond. Allotropes of carbon. Carbon occur in different forms such as diamond, graphite, fullerene with varying physical properties. These are called allotropes of carbon. Diamond. In diamond, each carbon atom is bonded to other 4 carbon atoms.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Fullerenes. In fullerene, C60 forms of carbon atoms are arranged in the shape of football. Fullerene forms are soft and slippery and bad conductor of electricity.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Carbon has unique ability to form bonds with other carbon atoms, thus forming large chain of molecules. This property of carbon is known as catenation.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Carbon compounds can consist of long chains of carbon atoms or branched chains of carbon atoms or also ring structure. Silicon can also form chain structure up to 7 or 8 atoms, but the structure is highly reactive. These structures may have carbon atoms linked with single, double or triple bonds. Carbon compounds, if linked with single bonds, then the compound is called saturated compounds. Carbon compounds, if linked with double or triple bonds, then the compound is called unsaturated compounds. Since valency of carbon is 4, hence it can form a bond with 4 carbon atoms or atoms of other elements. Each compound has specific physical and chemical properties. For example, diamond is solid and hard, while methane CH4 is a gas. Saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Saturated carbon compounds have carbon atoms linked with single bond. Consider example of ethane with chemical formula C2H6. To draw the structure, first link the carbon atoms. Then use hydrogen atoms to satisfy valency of each carbon atom. The electron dot structure is saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen. The figure shows some saturated compounds with their formula and structure. Unsaturated carbon compounds are those in which carbon atoms are linked with double or triple bonds. For example, ethene and ethyne, etc. For example, ethene C2H4. Electron dot structure of ethene and ethyne can be given as chains, branches and rings. Carbon atoms in a carbon compound can be rearranged to form different structures. For example, butane consists of 4 carbon atoms. These can be rearranged as such structures which have same molecular formula but different structures are called structural isomers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
In some carbon compounds, the carbon atoms forms ring structures. For example, cyclohexane C6H12. Hydrocarbons. The carbon compounds which are made up of carbon and hydrogen only are called hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, etc. The unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain at least a double bond and no triple bond is called alkenes. For example, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene. The unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain at least a triple bond is called alkynes. For example, ethyne, propyne, butane, pentyne, hexyne.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
General formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. For alkene, CnH2n. For alkynes, it is CnH2n minus 2. Other carbon compounds. With nature of forming a covalent bond, carbon can form a bond with hydrogen as well as other atoms such as halogens, for example, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. In such compounds, the element replacing the hydrogen is called heteroatom. This heteroatom gives specific properties to the compound so formed regardless of length and nature of carbon chain, hence called as functional groups. Some of the functional groups are halo, chloro or bromo, Cl, Br, alcohol, OH, aldehyde, CHO, ketone, CO, carboxylic acid, COOH.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Homologous series. Series of compounds which have same functional groups is called homologous series. For example, CH3OH, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2CH2OH, CH3CH2CH2CH2OH. With increased chain, molecular mass increases. With increased chain, molecular mass increases. With increased molecular mass, melting and boiling points increases. Nomenclature of carbon compounds. For the given compound, select longest chain of carbon atoms and determine the parent alkane. Identify the functional group in the compound. Number the carbon atoms in the chain such that the carbon atom nearest to functional group get lowest number.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Now, name the compound by replacing letter E of parent alkane by the functional group. Name the compound indicating the position of the functional group. So, the name of the compound is propan-1-ol. For unsaturated carbon chain, the final ANE is replaced with ENE or YNE as per the bond. For example, propyne, butane, hexene. Nomenclature of functional groups.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Combustion. Carbon and its compounds burn in presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and releases heat and light.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For example, C plus O2 gives CO2 plus heat and light. Saturated hydrocarbons burn with clean flame. Unsaturated hydrocarbons burn with yellow flame and generate black smoke. Saturated hydrocarbons, if burned in limited air, generate smoke because of incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion consumes more fuel since heat produced during incomplete combustion is less as compared to complete combustion. The burning of fuel containing nitrogen and sulfur generates sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, which is harmful for the environment. Substances burn with a flame because when substances are heated, the gases present in them get vaporized and catches fire. Formation of coal and petroleum. Trees, ferns and plants get buried under the earth crust due to earthquake or volcanic eruptions.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Over millions of years and with high pressure, they slowly get converted into coal. Similarly, when sea plants and animals die, they get buried in fine sand under the sea. These dead organisms remains millions of years under intense pressure and slowly get converted to oil and gas by the bacteria. As coal, petroleum and gas are obtained from fossils of the dead organisms, hence these are called fossil fuel. Oxidation. Take about 3 ml of ethanol in a test tube and warm it gently in a water bath. Add a 5% solution of alkaline potassium permanganate drop by drop. When it is added to ethanol, the purple color of ethanol vanishes and solution become colorless. It is because potassium permanganate KMnO4 being oxidizing agent add oxygen to ethanol so as to form acetic acid CH3COOH.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
If potassium permanganate is added in excess, then since there is no more alcohol left in the solution to get oxidized, hence color remains as it is. That is CH3CH2OH gives CH3COOH. Addition reaction. Unsaturated hydrocarbons can be converted to saturated hydrocarbons by adding hydrogen to it in presence of nickel or palladium catalyst. For example, vegetable oils consist of long unsaturated hydrocarbons chain. With this reaction, it can be converted to saturated hydrocarbon chain. Animal fats contain saturated fatty acids, which are harmful for health. That's why we should choose unsaturated vegetable oil for cooking. A catalyst is one which enhances the rate of reaction without affecting the product formed. Substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, one atom or group of atom takes the place of another. Chlorine, in presence of sunlight, replaces the hydrogen atom from the saturated hydrocarbon chain causing substitution reaction. That is, CH4 plus Cl2 in presence of sunlight gives CH3Cl plus HCl.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Properties of ethanol. At room temperature, ethanol is liquid. Commonly, it is called alcohol and is used in alcoholic drinks.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It is a good solvent. Solvent means the liquid which dissolves various substances. It is used in medicines such as tincture iodine, cough syrups, tonics, etc. Ethanol is soluble in water. Drinking of even small quantity of pure ethanol can cause serious effects on body. Consumption of ethanol slows down metabolic processes, which results in lack of coordination by the mind. Nowadays, ethanol is used as additive to petrol since it is cleaner fuel. That is, it only produces carbon dioxide and water and no other product that cause pollution. Reaction with sodium. Sodium react with ethanol to give hydrogen gas, that is 2Na plus 2CH3 CH2OH gives 2CH3 CH2ONA plus H2 sodium ethoxide. Dehydration of ethanol.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Concentrated sulfuric acid, being a strong dehydrating agent when heated with ethanol at 443 Kelvin, removes water from ethanol and forms ethene, that is CH3CH2OH gives CH2CH2 plus H2O. Properties of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is also called acetic acid. It is a weak acid. Acetic acid consists of COOH functional group. Hence, it belongs to carboxylic acids. Vinegar consists of 5 to 8% acetic acid and rest is water. It is widely used as preservative in pickles. Acetic acid freezes if the room temperature is below 290 degree Kelvin. Hence, it is called glacial acetic acid. Esterification reaction. Ethanoic acid, in presence of acid catalyst, react with ethanol to give sweet-smelling substance called ester. Esters are used in making perfumes and as flavoring agents.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Saponification reaction. Ester on treatment with sodium hydroxide get converted to alcohol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This reaction is called as saponification reaction and is used in preparation of soap. Reaction with a base. Ethanoic acid, like all acids, react with a base to give salt and water. That is, NaOH plus CH3COOH gives CH3COONa plus H2O. Reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Ethanoic acid reacts with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to form salt, carbon dioxide and water. Soap and detergents. Soap and detergents are used to wash the clothes. Soap. The molecules of soap are sodium or potassium salt of long-chain carboxylic acids. Soap molecules consist of two ends, ionic end, also called hydrophilic end, Na plus or K plus, and long chain of carboxylic acids called hydrophobic end. Most dirt is oily in nature. Hence, when it comes in contact with soap molecules, the carboxylic acid ends dissolves in dirt and get oriented inwards, while the hydrophilic end get oriented away from the dirt, forming a structure called micelle. Micelles did not come together because of ion-ion repulsion. Hence, they are separated and can be easily rinsed with water. The soap micelles are large enough to scatter light. Hence, soap solution appears cloudy.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Detergents. Water consisting of calcium and magnesium salts is called hard water. In hard water, soap did not produce foam because soap react with calcium and magnesium salts, forming white precipitate. Detergents are ammonium or sulfonate salts of long-chain carboxylic acids. These did not form precipitate in hard water, thus remain effective in hard water. Detergents are used to make shampoos and products of cleaning clothes.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.